Structure of seed. Most of the plants have seeds inside their fruits. They can have one or many seeds. For example, mangoes have one seed while papayas have many seeds. New plants grow from seeds. Seeds differ in shape and size but have the same basic parts. All the seeds have three parts: seed coat, cotyledon, and embryo. Each seed is covered by a seed coat. The seed coat protects the inner part of the seed. Inside the seed coat, all the seeds have one or two seed leaves, also called cotyledon. Cotyledon are laden with food materials. Embryo. When you separate the cotyledon and a dicot cell, you will see an embryo or a baby plant between them, which will later grow into a new plant. The embryo consists of a baby root called radicle and a baby shoot is called plumule. The cotyledon provides the baby plant with the food it needs till it can make food for itself. Thank you.